Hello from Seoul! Have you ever heard of Korean curry? It is so simple and easy to make, so I'll say this is the perfect food for lazy weekend brunch. We usually eat this curry with steamed rice, so it is one of the most popular one-bowl meal. You don't even need many ingredients, so I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. If you bought this for 닭갈비, it is time to take it out. Okay, let's get started. As I already told you, it's so easy to make because in this one package, there are not only curry but also all the ingredients that you need. So you don't need to season or anything. All you need to do is prepare everything and just put this powder in. So easy, right? There are so many kinds of Korean curry out there, so you may be confused about what to choose. But don't worry about it. You can use whatever you want. They are all good. Personally, I prefer this brand Otugi. And you can think like the more expensive one is more flavorful. They even have this kind of product which is a shape of a cube. It is way more flavorful because it contains palm oil. Obviously, it has more fat. It cannot be not delicious, right? Today, I'll go for the basic one. I'm gonna use this whole package. This is for 3 to 4 servings, but I have Claire, so mine will be like only 2 servings. Let's prep the vegetables. You will be needed 2 onions, 1 big potato, and a half of carrot. If you have mushrooms or other vegetables, you can use them too, but I'll go with the basic recipe. For your information, I'm not gonna use green onion today. I thought about using it, but I don't want to ruin my curry today. First, we need to slice the onion as thinly as possible. Cut potato and carrot into cubes. I love to have big sized vegetables because of the texture, but if you want to reduce the cooking time, you can cut them into small pieces. Some of you may not like carrots, but if it doesn't go in, the curry will not be pretty at all. Plus, we need to think about our health. We are grown up, right? Now, let's prep the meat. As always, you can use any kind of meat you have. Beef, pork, or chicken, they are all good. I've never tried to make it with lamb, but I think it will work too. However, I'll go with beef today. Beef curry is my favorite. FYI, I'm using the oyster blade today, but if you use the part with some fat, it will be more flavorful. Put some oil on a pan and caramelize the sliced onions. It's gonna look like way too many, but don't worry about it. These will cook down significantly. This is the most important step in this recipe, and if your curry was not good, I'm sure you definitely missed this step. You may wanna ask how long we should do it, but I can't say exactly how long it takes because everybody has a different cooking environment, like different stoves and different amount of onions, right? You can think of this process as the one when you make French onion soup, but you don't have to put that much effort into it. So if I were you, I would prepare veggies and meat while caramelizing the onions. That way, we can save our time. Anyways, if you follow this step, the caramelized onions will give you great flavor beyond the sweetness of onions. You might think that this simple process is not going to make a big difference, but trust me, you will be surprised. Invite your boyfriend or girlfriend and make them see you cooking. This process will even make you look more professional. Always show off. Once they reach this color, they are done. Let's put some beef and stir fry it. This time, potatoes and carrots. You don't have to stir fry for a long time because eventually we're gonna put some water and boil it. I'm gonna put a half tablespoon of chili pepper flakes and some black pepper. This is not necessary, but I wanna make it prettier with chili pepper flakes. I'm showing off to you guys, so if you don't have it, just skip it. Now add some water. I'm gonna put 800 milliliter. It's about 3.5 cups of water. If you have a bigger package of this Korean curry and you're not sure about how much water you should put, then please follow the direction at the back. People who make this curry powder are the experts. They are always right. Anyways, boil it for a while until potatoes and carrots are fully cooked. Lastly, put all the curry powder in and mix it. Please keep stirring so that all the ingredients don't stick to the bottom. If your curry is too thick, you can put more water, or if it's too watery, don't worry about it. You can boil it longer. If somebody comes to you and asks like, why does it take so long? Then just say like, I need more time to get the deeper flavor from all the ingredients. Always prepare this kind of comment like me. You can use it anytime. I think it's done. Put some rice on a plate and pour some curry. To be honest, this is so simple and easy, so usually Claire makes this in daily life, so I'm a little bit nervous. Let's call our taste tester. Claire.
오, 엄청 고급진 카레인데. 이요. 내가 카레를 담당하는 사람으로서 좀 더 엄격하게 심사를 하겠다. 알겠어? 여기 김치 없었었으면 한국식 카레인지 몰랐었을 것 같아. 먼저 이 소스만 한번 먹어볼까? 맛있어. 아, 이거 너무 예뻐가지고 분위기가 그러네. 나 어렸을 때 엄마가 매주, 진짜 거짓말 안 하고 매주 카레를 해줬어. 딱 그 분위기 나네. Ready? 이거는 역시 양파만 제대로 충분히 잘 볶아주면 누가 해도 다 맛있는 그런 음식인 것 같아. 내가 할 때랑 자기 할 때랑 물론 지금이 훨씬 더 맛있긴 하지만 거의 비슷해요. 이렇게 하고 이번에는 김치. 이거지. 같이 김치랑 먹어야 돼. 다른 거 다 좋은데 카레 먹었었을 때 딱 하나 단점이 있는데 그게 뭔지 알아? 이거 먹고 나서 양치질을 하잖아? 그러면 칫솔이 노랗게 색깔이 변해 있어. 하지만 걱정 안 해도 된다는 사실. 며칠만 있으면 다시 괜찮아진다는 사실.
무슨 며칠이야 며칠.
며칠이야?
무슨 며칠이야.
며칠 동안 먹었거든 카레를. 이렇게 점심에 카레 먹으니까 확실히 주말 같다. 그치?
You may think this curry looks easy because I made it, but this is really easy for everyone. Why don't you enjoy this curry with your family or friends on the weekend? This is it for today, and I'll see you next time.